In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your Zendesk Help Center. Let's dive in and get your Help Center up and running smoothly. First things first, make sure you're on your Zendesk homepage. From here, you'll want to direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. You should see a circle logo, which is your gateway to the Help Center setup. Click on it and select Help from the drop-down menu. Now that you've navigated to the Help Center, it's time to start setting it up according to your specific topic or brand. This is a crucial step, as tailoring your Help Center to reflect your brand can significantly enhance the customer experience. Think about the key elements that represent your brand and ensure they are prominently featured in your Help Center. Once you've got the basics set up, the next step is to optimize your setup. You'll see an option to do this, so go ahead and click on it. This will guide you through selecting a customer type, which is essential for tailoring your support system to meet the needs of your audience. Don't forget to manage your team efficiently by assigning roles and permissions that align with your support strategy. As you continue to optimize, you'll also want to add customer channels. This is where you decide how your customers can get in touch with you, whether it's through email, live chat, or social media. Each channel offers a unique way for customers to engage with your support team, so choose the ones that best fit your business model. While you're at it, take the time to set up agent tools. These are the resources your support team will use to assist customers effectively. Consider incorporating tools that facilitate quick responses and streamlined workflows. It's all about making the support process as efficient as possible for both your team and your customers. Another important aspect to consider is defining your day-to-day business rules. This includes setting up guidelines for ticket handling and response times, ensuring a consistent and professional service. Establishing clear rules helps your team stay organized and provides a reliable framework for handling customer inquiries. Finally, after setting everything up, it's crucial to test your setup. This step ensures that all the elements of your Help Center are functioning as intended. Go through the customer journey yourself, from accessing the Help Center to resolving an issue, to identify any potential hiccups or areas for improvement. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should have a fully functional Zendesk Help Center tailored to your brand and ready to provide excellent customer support. Remember, a well-organized Help Center can make a significant difference in customer satisfaction and loyalty. Thanks for tuning in, and happy support managing.